You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Costa Rica is known for its affordable lifestyle and high-quality healthcare, making it a top choice for retirees, remote workers, and families looking for a fresh start. But how much does it really cost to live here? And what kind of healthcare can you expect? Let's break it down. One of the biggest reasons people move to Costa Rica is the affordable cost of living. While prices have increased in some areas, Costa Rica is still much cheaper than the US, Canada, or Europe, especially if you know where to live and how to budget wisely. Housing is one of the biggest expenses for expats, but the good news is you have options. First, there's renting. You can rent a small apartment for as little as $500 a month in local areas. The popular destinations rent for a modern condo or house could range from $800 to $2,000. Beachfront properties or high-end communities could cost more, perhaps up to $3,000 a month. Buying property. Costa Rica allows foreigners to own property with full ownership rights. A modest home in a local area might cost $100,000 to $200,000. A luxury home or a beachfront property can go for $300,000 to over $1 million. Property taxes are low, only 0.25% of the home's value per year. Whether you rent or buy, housing in Costa Rica is still more affordable than most major U.S. cities. Let's talk about food, utilities, and transportation costs. Let's talk about some everyday expenses. Groceries. If you shop at a local farmer's market, you can get fresh fruits, vegetables, and seafood for a fraction of U.S. prices. Imported goods and name brand items, however, those can be expensive. Expect to pay more for cheese, wine, or processed foods. A couple can comfortably spend $300 to $500 per month on groceries. What about utilities? Electricity costs can vary based on your usage. If you use air conditioning frequently, expect to pay $100 to $200 per month. Without AC, electricity bills can be as low as $50 a month. Water, internet, and phone bills combined usually cost around $50 to $100 per month. Transportation. Owning a car is expensive due to high import taxes. A used car can cost twice as much as in the United States. Gas prices are also much higher than in North America. However, public transportation is cheap and reliable, with buses costing less than $1 for most trips. One of Costa Rica's biggest selling points is its world-class healthcare system. Let's break that down. First, public versus private healthcare options. Costa Rican's public healthcare system is called CAJA, available to residents with a small monthly fee, usually $75 to $400 based on income. This covers doctor's visits, prescriptions, surgeries, and hospital care, but the wait times can be long. So that's why some prefer private care. Expats can visit private hospitals with shorter wait times and English-speaking doctors. Private healthcare is still much cheaper than in America. A doctor's visit can cost $50 to $100. A specialist appointment is $80 to $150. And surgery costs are about 60% lower than in America. Many expats use a combination of both. They pay into the public system, but use private care when needed. Now let's look at health insurance for expats. First, the cost and coverage options. Many choose to buy private health insurance for extra coverage. Options include INS, which is Costa Rican's national insurance company, which covers hospital visits, specialists, and emergency care. But there's also international insurances that you can get, such as Blue Cross Blue Shield. This will cover private care in Costa Rica and other countries. Local private insurance companies are about $60 to $250 per month, while international healthcare insurance can cost about $150 to $500 a month. If you're under 65 and in good health, Local insurance is very affordable. If you want global coverage, an international plan would probably be better. If you're planning your move, let SDC International Shipping handle the logistics. We specialize in safe, reliable international services. We can help you move from any place in America. Get your free quote today by visiting our website. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.